Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had a completely different video, like edited, uploaded, ready to roll to go up today, but Boxycharm has arrived. So we're gonna do this instead and that video will go up another time. So the theme this month is Make Waves, this little card that comes with it. And I have sort of partially done my makeup because I did take a little sneak peek at what was in here. So I thought we'd try on a couple of things. But I was really excited with the box that I got when I checked my sneak peek because I always look at the spoilers. I always say I'm not going to, and then I do every time. So there was a few different variations of boxes going around, and I got the exact one that I wanted. So I was really excited. There was a couple of different variations. I was like, oh, I hope I get this instead of that. And each of those items, I got the one that I wanted. So I was really thrilled about that. So sorry if that's not what happened for you. But diving in, the first thing that I see in here is the GlamGlow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This is a full-size cleanser valued at $28. You can get this brand at Sephora, I believe. So I'm really excited to try this. I can't remember what the other item was that you could have gotten instead of this, but I was happy to get the cleanser. I'm currently using the Pharmacy, I don't know, it's like a honey cleanser. We got it in a previous Boxycharm and I'm about halfway through that, so this saves me buying another cleanser. Excited to try this. It says it's a conditioning gel cleanser. Gentle but effective, cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extracts bubble up to deep clean and remove impurities. It's soap, fragrance, and SLS free. So I'm excited to give that a try. I will not be opening it and using it right now, obviously. I am getting ready for work. And the packaging's so fun. The packaging is super cute. I am a big believer in not having a bunch of open products at one time if I can help it. So because I am working on a cleanser right now, I won't be trying this one until that one's gone. But I will keep you guys updated in a future video about that cleanser. The next thing that I see in here is by Dose of Colors. I was so excited to get this. I can't remember what the other alternate products could have been, but I was really excited to get this because I've never tried a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, but I've heard they're amazing. So I'm excited to try that. We're going to put that on today. So it says, your Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. So this is valued at $18. I have heard nothing but good things about Dose of Colors lip products. So I am going to give this a try. I've got my little mirror in front of me. I did do my eye look accordingly today because I was pretty sure I was getting like a red color. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see, but the applicator is like a unique shape. I've never seen one like that before. I'm just going to wipe off some of the excess. Oh my gosh. That goes on so beautifully. We'll see how it dries down. This is very distracting. I just like could not handle that photo in the background any longer with the reflection from the ring light. So that went on beautifully. The color that I got is called Kiss of Fire. So it's a beautiful, I would call this a beautiful cool toned red. It definitely has like a little bit of a pinky hint to it, but I love that because I do have some that are much warmer. So this gives me a little bit of variety. Love this so far. Unbelievably comfortable. Unbelievable. Usually, like for example, if I was putting on one of the Stila liquid lipsticks, for example, as soon as it dries down, it's like, oh, that's dry. So this feels very comfortable. It was very easy to apply. I didn't have to dip the wand back in the bottle at all. One dip did my lips, no problem. So I love that. The next thing in here is by Ciate London. So this is their Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. This is valued at $22. And it's sort of a lavender gold kind of color. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand. So that's it right there. It's really pretty. It's basically like a lilac lavender color with like a gold shift. I don't really feel like it goes with my look for today with the red lip because it does have some purple in it. But let's just pop a little on the inner corner just for funsies. So I just popped a little bit on like the inner corner area of the eye. I think it's really pretty. I think on its own, it would be really beautiful. Patted onto the lid, it would be really nice. I don't think these are going to compare to the Stila Glitter and Glow or their Magnificent Metals. I don't think it's going to be quite as like pigmented. It does seem to be drying down completely on my hand. So that's good because I've had some liquid shadows before that really never dry down fully. They stay kind of tacky and then they crease. So I think this is going to be a nice product. I'm not going to put it all over my lid just because I'm doing the red lips. I have to go to work today. Okay, so next up we have, okay, so I almost didn't even see this in the box, but this is the Mellow Brow Definer. This is valued at $18. It says it's a non-greasy, easy glide formula, and it has the triangular tip. Now, this is in the color chocolate. This is going to be too dark for me, so instead of opening it, swatching it, contaminating it, and then having a color that I can't use, I'm going to save this and put it in a giveaway. It's just one of those things. I don't really want to be wasteful and open it just for the sake of opening it, but it is what it is. I don't get upset by stuff like that because of having the business and the fact that I do giveaways on Instagram and stuff like that. I don't mind getting the odd product that I can't use because I can toss it in a giveaway. It doesn't bother me at all. Okay, and then the last thing in here is from Alamar, and this is their Colorete Blush Trio. So Alamar Cosmetics is a brand that we've received from Boxycharm before. I did get this palette in a previous Boxycharm, and I absolutely love it, so I was excited to see the brand included in a box again. So this is the Colorete Blush Trio, and it's valued at $22, and I got the one for Fair Light, which is lovely because that's what I am. So you've got 3 beautiful blushes in there. I'm going to try one on. I purposefully did not put blush on today. So I think with the look I've got on today, I'm going to go with Scorcher. It looks like it has some shimmer in it, which I really like a glowy blush, so I have no issue with that. And I'm using my Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. I use these for blush sometimes. I love the glow in that. I think that's so pretty. So you've got sort of a peach color, you've got a bit of a coral color, and then you've got like a pink color. It was way too much, like right here. When I'm putting blush on, I like to put like a little bit and blend it out, put a little bit, blend it out. Like I like to build my blushes. I don't like to go too bright too fast, and I'm just going to add a touch of the more pinky one just to cool it down ever so slightly because the lip color is more on the cool side. And then I just like to take my powder brush that I used earlier today and just kind of go over that area. I'm just going to pop off, put a little bit of highlighter on, and mist my face with setting spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my highlighter on now, and I've misted my face with setting spray, so I'm ready for my work day. I was just doing the math on the total of the box, and the total is $108, which I think is great. As always, it's over $100. All kinds of great full-sized items here. This box was a real hit for me. The only thing that I could have really done without was the brow pencil, and even then just because the color is no good for me, but I have no issue with that because like the cleanser alone pretty much pays for the box. So I think this was a great month. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the box this month. Let me know if you got a box with something different inside, what you thought of your items. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!